In this video, we will learn how to evaluate a measurement model in SmartPLS3. Let me first show you a very quick guide. Look at here. In step number 1, you assess indicator reliability, for which you look at outer loading values. Minimum recommended value of outer loading of any indicator is 0.708. Then you'll examine internal consistency reliability. So we have two measures here which we look at. First one is Cronbach alpha and second one is composite reliability. However, it must be noted that composite reliability is a better measure. Third one is convergent validity. Convergent validity is assessed by examining the values of AVE, average variance expected. Minimum recommended value of AVE for any construct is 0.5. Finally, we examine discriminant validity. We assess discriminant validity by using three measures. First one is cross-loading. Second one is FL criterion. The last one is HTMT. Now let me show you all these measures in SmartPLS3. So here we go. So this is our model in SmartPLS3. So we have three variables. The first one is culture, second one is commitment, and last one is performance. So straight away, let's go to menu bar and click calculate and then consistent PLS algorithm. Start calculation. So here we go. So if you look at this particular diagram, you see these are the loadings. So this value is little problematic one, and this one also. You can consider removing them. In this particular construct, you see, so this value is problematic one. And here in this case, you see this value is a problematic one. So let me remove this value and then rerun the model PLS algorithm and then see here. So this value is also a little problematic one. And now look at the values. So all are fine, almost except this one. This is a little on the lower side. Here in this case, let me remove this one first and then re-examine. And so here we go. So yes, this is also little problematic. So be careful in removing indicators. So now all look fine. Here in this case, this is more problematic one. Let me remove it. So more or less, so this is little on lower sides, and you see the first stage now is over. So indicator reliability has been more or less established. Now let's examine alpha values in composite reliability. Now we'll do it. So straight away go to report and you see here. So we have one option here. So that is construct reliability and validity. So alpha values all are in green color. Composite reliabilities are also in green color. So that means internal consistency reliability is established. Third one, now we have to examine convergent validity. So these are the values of the AV for all these constructs. So they're all fine. So all exceed the value, minimum recommended value of 0.5. Now let's finally examine discriminant validity. The first one is cross-loading. So how we do it? Just below this construct liability section, there is one section that discriminant validity. Just click it here. And here we go. So this is cross-loading. So what you do basically, you simply click this options Excel format, and then straight away go to Excel and so paste these values in Excel. You just simply click this one options Excel format. You will see. So all values will be copied. So just paste it here. And then in next step, what you do basically, on the menu bar, click home, then conditional formatting. So then highlight greater than. Now let me click here, let's say 0.6. Now you see here, so whether OC is indicator, they are all loading high on OC or not? Yes. And all values of commitment, are they loading on OC? So this one is a little problem, but this is even loading more on OC commitment than other ones. And same as case with the indicator performance. They are loading high on the construct of performance. So on first, what I would say, measure, that's the measure of cross loadings, discriminant validity is established. Now let's look at the second one, that's FL criterion. Straight away go here and click this option. This is FL criterion. So how you examine it? Look at the values present in diagonal sides. So first one, this one, 0.911. Is this value higher than all values in this particular column and in row? Yes. And then compare this value with all other values present in the same row and same column. And same is case with this one also. You see, so all these values are higher than all their respective values present in their respective rows and columns. So that means on the criterion, formal logarithm criterion, so the discriminant validity is established here. Finally, we look at HTMT. So these values must be less than 0.85. So you see all values are less than 0.85. At maximum, it should be maximum 0.90, not more than 0.90. So you see, so on the all three criterion, discriminability is established. So this is how we evaluate reflective measurement model in SmartPLS3. Thanks for watching.